guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So we're hopping right in. We're not going to do any prep in this video, but if you are interested in seeing how I fully prep my nails, then I will link a video down below that includes prep. But for today's video, we're going to be doing a really cute and simple design. For this video, I'll be using my soft gel full nail covers in the style extra short coffin. This is the newest shape to my collection and they are almost sold out. So if you're interested in this shape, definitely head over to my Etsy shop and check them out. I absolutely love this shape, but all I'm doing is going in and sizing them to my nails and making sure that they fit wall to wall. Soft gel full nail covers are a game changer. If you have problems shaping, definitely I recommend giving them a try. I had problems shaping, but even if you don't, they just make applying nails and the whole nail process so much faster. So definitely click the link in the bio to check it out. So we're going to be using alcohol for our slip solution today, and this is a dapping dish that I actually purchased from TJ Maxx, but I just repurposed it. And for our polygel, we're going to be using Model 1's polygel in the shade Light Apricot. This video is not sponsored by Model 1's, but I have to say that this is probably my favorite polygel that I've come across. It's the perfect color for me personally in my skin tone. I find that this polygel doesn't get too stiff. It doesn't leave any bubbles and it cures super fast, which is all things that I look for, and it just checks off every box. I absolutely love this polygel. Even if you're not my skin tone, I feel like it's a pretty universal nude polygel color. So I definitely recommend giving it a try. I will have it linked down below. This is in my Amazon storefront, but I'm realizing people don't like to look, throughout the Amazon storefront. Like, they're like, just give me the direct link. So I'll be sure to put the direct link down below in the description as well. But just a side note, Amazon Prime Day is coming up. So if I were y'all, I would click the link, add it to the cart, and then save for later. Then purchase on July 12th to the 13th. Because if you can wait, it's most likely going to be on sale. A lot of the products that I use in today's video are from Amazon. And if you're interested in any of them, definitely wait until Amazon Prime Day to purchase because it will be heavily discounted. I don't know about y'all, but let me tell you, I got a few things in my saved cart ready to go on July 12th. But yeah, Prime Day is the 12th to the 13th. But I'm just curing with my MelodySusie lamp. This is a 2-in-1 lamp. So it's a UV lamp, LED lamp, and it's also a nail drill. And I love this because it saves up so much room on my nail desk. This is also available to purchase on Amazon, and the link will be down below. But yeah, all I'm doing is going in and applying them. As you can see here, I'm cleaning up the cuticle area because you want to make sure that you clean that up before curing. It's just going to be harder if you don't, because you're going to have to go in with the lamp, get really close to the cuticle area, underneath the nails. It's just a mess. So it's best to do it before curing. I didn't show it yet, but you also want to flip your nails upside down, and you want to make sure that the underneath of your nails is flat as well. As flat as possible, because let me tell you, ew. If you have bulky underneath nails, like, ew, it's giving dirty. It's giving food is trapped in there until you take that set off. I don't know about y'all, but that's one of my biggest pet peeves. So you want to make sure that you flip your nails and make sure they're as flat as possible underneath, and that your cuticles are also cleaned up as well before curing. So I'm going to be using a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. These are both purchased off of Shein actually. This lint-free wipe and the nail pump I purchased off of Shein. Shein has some really cool nail products for a really affordable price. So I'm not going to say check it out because, you know, I don't know. It's a little controversy over what they'd be doing over there. So that's to your discretion. But girl, let me tell you, this nail file right here, 180, 180 grit nail files, throw them out. Go to Amazon, purchase this 80 grit nail file, bomb. It's honestly, I don't know how I was using 180 grit nail files before. You know, we're so used to getting those for free that we're just like accustomed to them. No, go purchase 80 grit files. It's going to be a game changer for you. But at this point, you can dust off all that dust. You could also go ahead and wash your hands as well if you want. But I'm going to go in and start the design. I'm going to be using this new glitter top coat by MAKARRT. They did send me over this top coat in a PR package, but this top coat is honestly amazing. It's so beautiful and I absolutely love it. So happy they sent this over. But yeah, I'm just going in and I'm applying it to the top, and I'm using this ombre brush that I also purchased off of Amazon to ombre the top coat down. If you guys ever have problems ombreing, get this brush, y'all, because I'm telling you, this ombre brush works. I'm using this with a glitter top coat, so you can't really see like the true ombre if it was two different colors, but I have used it for that, and I always have problems ombreing, and this brush actually like works really well for me. So because of that, I'm gonna have to recommend it. Like, I definitely recommend this ombre brush because if you like doing ombre nails, I know I do, it makes life so much easier. But yeah, I'm just using it for this design, and I am going to do 2 coats of this. So I'm going to do 1 coat, cure that, and then I'm going to go in and put a little bit more at the top of the nails and leave, you know, let it ombre. So the further we go down, I'm going to leave it clear, but I'm just going to apply more mostly to the tip. Alright, so after that's fully cured, I am going to go in with another top coat, and this is by Model Ones. I rave about this top coat all the time because it's honestly one of my favorites. This is a purchase off of Amazon, so as you guys know, the link will be down below. It's just perfect. It doesn't bubble for me. It always leaves an optimal even shine, and I just love the brush applicator. So I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend this top coat as well, and their base coat. I do use their base coat in my personal prep routine, so I definitely recommend both products together. Alright, so this is a really quick, I don't know, it kind of cut off, but as you can see, I'm going in with this nail drill bit, and this helps make sure that your sides and your top of your nails are perfectly even and straight. The link to that will be down below. I did purchase that off Amazon. But now it's time for the best part, my favorite part personally, cuticle oil. I do sell these cuticle oils in my Etsy shop, but today we're going to go in with this cherry blossom scented cuticle oil. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my cuticles. I say it in every video, it does not matter how cute your nails are. If they are crusty, your nails are not going to be cute, girl. So you want to make sure you invest in a really good cuticle oil. This one, as I said, is in my Etsy shop, and it is an ultra hydrating cuticle oil that is made with all natural flowers and all natural ingredients. So definitely check it out if you're interested. Link will be down below. But here's the final product. I'm super in love with this nail design. I honestly actually used to do this all the time when I was in high school, and it's just bringing back so many memories. I still love it to this day. So if you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I know I haven't been posting as much as I normally do, but I am getting back on schedule. And if you are still rocking with me, thank y'all so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. I will be having a giveaway soon, so stay tuned for that. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.